We just stopped by this little breakfast place to get a coffee and some breakfast. Morning, Carol.
Morning.
So as I mentioned in yesterday's video, today we're going to be doing a bit of different things here in Puerto Rico, like off the beaten path. So we're going to two places that don't seem to be really touristic attractions. I just found them both on Google Maps. So yeah, it's going to be like a cool beach, some other place with like a river where I think you can like jump in and there's a bit of a waterfall and stuff. So that's what's coming up today. Alright, so we have arrived at the destination. So I don't know how you pronounce this properly, but I think it's called Vacia Talega. And this is about a 15-minute, 20-minute drive from San Juan, so super close. And it's interesting, once you drive like 5 minutes out of San Juan, everything becomes like nature, really beautiful. So the drive here was really just a really nice scenery. You can see here all the way down the coast, it's pretty deserted. We're just heading over there now to get some shade beneath these palm trees. Alright, we got our little spot here. This place looks beautiful. So like I said, this beach seems really deserted. There's no like buildings or houses around here at all. Later on I'll probably give the drone a flight as usual, and then you'll be able to see from the aerial perspective how deserted it is around here. But I think right now we're going to have to test out this water again. Alright, so the water's pretty warm here, just like yesterday's beach, Loquillo. But here's like a lot deeper, I guess, and yeah, it's a bit rougher as well, but still really nice. Water's not as clear as yesterday as well, but yeah, pretty cool still. So for those of you that have been watching my videos for a long time, you'll know that I'm always flying the drone, and I don't think I've ever actually shown you what drone I use. So this is the drone that I use. It's called DJI Mavic Pro. It's actually quite small, you see it folds up, so it always fits in my camera bag quite easily. And this is probably my favorite thing to film with. A lot of the times in the location, I don't even know how the place looks properly, so obviously once I fly it, I can see so much stuff, and yeah, aerial shots always look amazing, right? So this is what I'm going to be flying now. Alright, so I was trying to fly the drone a bit further, but there was just too much wind and it's kind of dangerous. Like, the thing could fly away if it gets too much wind, but I think I still got some pretty good shots. And right now I think we're just gonna hang out here for a few hours, and then probably later on we'll try and find a little place to eat nearby, and then after that we're going to the second location. Alright guys, so now we are completely in like a pretty deserted area. It's called Rio Tinajas, but if you look at the area here, we're right in like the mountains now. You can see up there. I think that's actually El Yuki where we were yesterday. So here has like a cool river that we're gonna check out, and yeah, let's see how it is. So I think we gotta go down here and we've got to get in the river and basically follow the river up to the main part. Alright Carol, this is a proper adventure now. Flip-flops, so do I. Okay, this should be fun. Man, it's deep, right? Yeah, this is a bit sketchier than I was expecting. Walking all the way down here. Crazy. Okay, we're out of the river now. Found a little trail, so it's a lot better. Probably need trainers to do the river part. We're only in flip-flops, so not ideal. But super beautiful, this little trail. Alright, we're going barefoot. Oh no. Look at this path, man. Carol, what have we got ourselves into?
You got it.
I got us into. Oh man. Better be worth it. Alright, there's river. I don't know if this is the spot though. Guys, so we just walked all that way through hell and I don't even think we're in the right place right now. I mean, here's the river, but I don't think it's the place where everybody goes, so we still gotta look for that. I think we gotta head back. We heard some voices earlier on, but yeah, hopefully we can find it. Let's check out Carol's sexy feet right now. Oh, yummy. And your hand. Yeah, look at my top. But here looks super beautiful. We're like in the middle of a rainforest right now. Alright, so we've been here over an hour now. We still haven't really found the place where we're supposed to go. There were some locals here, but they were saying it was like 20 minutes upstream. But I don't know if we can get up there. The water's like pretty high right now and we're just tired. It's been a bit of a crazy adventure. Alright, so we found some locals and they pointed us in the correct path to get there, so we've decided to actually go to the main spot now. Alright, we've made it to the main spot here. Little pool. You see there's like rope swing here, people jumping. Really nice spot to swim as well. We're heading up to the second part now. Apparently there's another cool part up here with some more jumps. So I know I said I was going off the beaten path, but I didn't expect it to be this much of an adventure. That was just too crazy probably. But yeah, check this out. That's insane. This guy's gonna jump all the way down there. Oh, damn. we're heading out now. Super tired in here because we did everything pretty much wrong. So some tips if you're coming here to Rio Tinajas. 1, bring proper trainers. We were in like flip-flops, so definitely don't do that. And 2, just ask someone where to go. Don't try and work it out by yourself. Like from the parking lot, it would have took only like 30 minutes to get here. It took us like 2 hours of just crazy, yeah, crazy trails and everything. But yeah, definitely worth going there because you saw for yourself that place was super beautiful. And yeah, just a different place to go. So tomorrow we got some more cool stuff coming up. As always, drop a like on this video, subscribe if you'd like to see more, and I'll see you in the next one.